Shine bright with our evening emeralds, the stones that glow. This stunning crystal nugget is not only a sight to behold, but also a powerful tool for activating abundance and prosperity, enhancing confidence and self-worth, protecting against negative energy, promoting emotional balance and good fortune. Let the radiant green hues of our evening emeralds transport you to a world of vitality and growth. Add a touch of sunshine to your life with this captivating crystal nugget.
Get yours now and shine bright like a star.
Get yours now while stocks last. At Ferg Gallery.